Guess. It's fine.
Get that. I think it looked good on the hill. Let's
No, I already got it. Country. Watch. Here he is. Why he knows? I'm eating potato today. Loaded potato. Woo. Baka-baka. She looking for worms. But what kind of bird it is though? She had a long beak. Did you get any? Huh? Get any? Worm or bug? Pogo. That's pogo, you guys. Or ano ba, quail?
What is that supposed to do?
I was just watching the birds. It's feeding time. That's why they're getting active again. And I was like, it's like there is a baby bird there just came out, just observing and not flying out yet in that bar. But we'll see. Let's get a closer look. And guys, so I think that's a baby. Oh, it's not. But the baby's still inside there. Still observing how to fly. It looks like there's 3 houses there. There's 3 different mamas and babies. They're so cute. They're flying low on me too. Right there. Hi. Ayun guys. Kumusta ka mo? Manog, it's 6:56 at night doon. Pero lang tawag nyo bala ang adlaw. Masakit pa. Ano galas 7 doon sa gabi. Masakit pa ang sira ka. Init. Ay. Oh, pis-pis. Sa pagkarako daw, may bird sanctuary. Sanctuary ba? Giyar man ako libot-libot sa ogsadan. Mangudal-ngudal roman ako. Hay, rako, gigi ang kontrako. May rabbit, may kuding, may mga pispis nga nagapanuka kang seeds. May kabayo. Way galit kabayo ang deer usa. May rabbit. Okay, ano pagid? Ano pagid ang kontrako? Kaya kung magtanom ka, kinanglan mangudal ka gid. Ang ako nga grapes na nagkarapuspos. Din, may bunga daad pa. Japagido. Na karapuspos garing. Guys, so did you see my grapes? Na kaya pagid sa likod oh. Burubunyagan ko lang kang kinilis. Kag fish fertilizer. Para mabuusan da kag makakaon kita kag grapes. Ay, update with the chicken coop that we bought. We bought it like a week ago. It's already Monday, June 22nd, and I think we bought it Saturday or Sunday last week. It's been over a week, you guys, and they have not delivered it yet. But since they have not delivered it yet, we are trying to see where we could put the coop. Right here, close to the house, in the right next to the shed, or down there at the bottom of the property, or somewhere, but still not here yet. So look at you guys, there's two babies trying to come out. I think they can't get out yet. They don't know how to fly yet. They're just waiting for the mama to bring them some food. They cut all those down.